welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new and you like makeup, beauty, hair or hauls, then please consider subscribing. So today I'm going to be colouring my hair peach, and I'm going to be using the Shrine Drop-In Peach. I recently, well, I say recently, I think it's about a month ago, filmed a video reviewing the silver one, which I did actually really like. So I figured I'd pick up the peach one as well. So these are drops that you add to your conditioner. So you can use any conditioner, like white conditioner, any cheap bog standard one really. And then you make up your desired colour dependent on the amount of drops that you use. So I think I want to go, I'm going to kind of do it like I did the silver one, to be honest. So with the silver one, I think I put in 20 drops. So I might actually do the same with this one. I'm going to be putting it on dry hair. You can put it on wet or dry hair, but obviously because dry hair is dry, it won't be watered down. So, and it's obviously more porous and it does tend to cling. When I tested the Umberto Giannini peach hair dye, which I loved, by the way, it didn't last too many washes. I know peach doesn't, and it's just a semi colour, so you know it is supposed to wash out, but it lasted me about 3 washes. But I absolutely loved the colour, so I'm going to try and get it to about the stage where I had that colour as well. So do you know what, looking at the chart, so this is the chart, and you see, so you've got your 6 drops, 12, 20 and 30, but I kind of want to go more this colour than this colour, so I might just use 12. So yeah, I think I'm going to go with this one. So I'm bleach blonde, so the top, which is kind of the colour I want to go. So in the box we have the little silicone mixing bowl, the little mixing spatula, and our drops here. So say this is the peach, and then you obviously get your instruction leaflet as well. I have already read through all that. And also don't forget to patch test. In addition to that, I've also got my conditioner. I have some gloves, a couple of sectioning clips, and I've also got a wide tooth comb because I like to comb through it at the end just to make sure I haven't missed any bits. So this is the colour my hair is at the moment. So it's kind of, I do normally use silver shampoo on it, so it does normally go quite a sort of a silvery colour. Although recently I've left it sort of to do its own thing with just shampooing it as normal. So it's gone more blonde, probably with a few brassy tones through it, but that's fine. Right then, so the next thing I'm going to do is take you through to my bathroom because I'm a mess. Oh yeah, so obviously when you're doing anything like this, is my my hair dye top. So just put an old top on. Yeah, just so you don't mess up your clothes really, because I tend to do that. Right, so I've got my bowl here and obviously my conditioner. So I need to put my conditioner in the bowl to, I don't know if you can see that, yeah, there's a line there. So you put your conditioner in up to the line. And then we've got the drops to put in. So as I say, I'm doing 12. So that is 1 drop. So you don't squeeze the whole pipette, you kind of just let it do its thing. Okay, so there's my drops in there. So then I'm going to take my little spatula and give it a good mix. Right, so we're kind of looking like that. So it does look quite orange, but the other one that I did looked really orange and it turned out beautifully, so I'm not worried at all. So the next thing I'm going to do is apply it to my sections of my hair. I'm not, because it's a semi, I'm not going to go in with my brush and do it all in individual, like tiny pieces. I'm just going to use my hands because as you can see, I've got like dark roots here and it's not going to take there anyway. So I'm not bothered about going right up to my root with the brush. I'm just going to take sections about this kind of size and just with my hands, just kind of work it through. And then as I say at the end, I'll go through with my wide tooth comb and comb it all through anyway. So there's that first section with some product on, and you can see, I see a tiny bit there that I've missed. You can see that it does take quite quick. So yeah, which is, to be honest, is exactly what the other one did as well. So I think that's going to go a really nice colour, you know. Right, so I'm just going to continue and put it on the rest now. So that's that section done now. So I'm just going to put that in a little clip just to keep it separate, and then I'm going to do the next section. So I'm probably only going to do about 3 sections, I reckon. Okay, put that one out of the way. There's that section done as well. So onto the last one. Wow, that's lovely. I've got the rest of my hair clipped up underneath. It hasn't just disappeared. Cool, this gives me a taster of what I'd look like with a pixie cut. A pretty dodgy one, to be honest, but yeah, I don't think it's for me, is it? Right, so I'm going to put the rest on now. Right, okay, so that's all covered now. So I'm just going to go through with my comb and just make sure that it is all covered. And then I'm just going to pop it up in a clip. And then I'm going to leave that for 10 minutes to take, and then I'll rinse it off and I'll come back when it's rinsed off. Right, okay, so that's all rinsed off. So I didn't use shampoo or anything, just warm water. And then this is how we're looking when it's wet. So yeah, actually it doesn't look a lot different from that other one I did. But yeah, the real test is to obviously see it dry. So I'm just going to go away and dry it and style it, and then I'll come back and show you at the end. Okay, so here's how it turned out. I think it's really nice. It's quite a subtle sort of peachy colour, but obviously I only put 12 drops in. If I'd have put 20 or even 30 in, it would have been really intense. But this is exactly what I was going for, just that kind of subtle wash of peach almost. But yeah, the bright lights do wash it out a little bit. In natural light, it is more, I'd say, of a peachy tone. I'll try and get a little screenshot of it in natural light or something. But yeah, I think it's really nice, and it feels really good condition as well. That's the thing I do like about the drop it ones and the semis, is that obviously because you do mix them with conditioner and you're leaving it on for 10 minutes, it's not damaging to the hair. You're getting that kind of intensive conditioning treatment at the same time. And also with the drop it, because obviously you get more than enough, there's like, I think there's something like 200 drops in a bottle. Afterwards you can maintain the colour as well, so you can, when you do your normal conditioning and that sort of thing, you can put a couple of drops in there just to kind of maintain and colour refresh it. And you can put it in your shampoo as well, apparently it says in the instructions. I didn't know that, but that's handy to know. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me if you did enjoy watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future, and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye!